In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to comment anonymously on a Facebook group. So first, you would need to find an anonymous post. If there's not already one, go to the Facebook group you want to make a post on, click on post and create the anonymous post. And then once the post is created, we will see an anonymous member has created a test post. Then click on the comments, and in order to comment as an anonymous member, you just simply write any comment. So I will just type comment, and we can see we are posting anonymously. Now this is a really useful feature, and currently you can only comment anonymously on an anonymous post, and this is a relatively new feature, so some people may not have this feature yet. And also you do have to have it on a group, a Facebook group that enables anonymous posts.